Hey, it's the Bortone, the online video guy, and I've been helping small business owners win with video and video marketing since 2005, the same year that YouTube started. I do a lot of training and classes and tips and cool stuff on video and video marketing. And now that we have Patreon here, this is a really cool opportunity for me to provide exclusive content and special rewards and bonuses and tips that I don't give out anywhere else. So check out the tiers that I have here on Patreon, and we'll give this a shot, see how it goes, because it's a great way for you to get exclusive content and tips and behind the scenes stuff. I can show you the kind of equipment that I use, all the little tricks I use, like these fake $20 backgrounds that you can get on Amazon to make your office look cool. I'll be providing access to my classes, as well as monthly calls, Q&A calls, office hours, all kinds of stuff that you can't get anywhere else except on Patreon. So I hope you'll consider becoming a patron at one of the different levels. Again, it's pretty cool because it's kind of like a cross between Netflix and PBS. It's a whole different model and a different way for me to share tips and trends and tricks and all kinds of cool video marketing stuff with you that you can't get anywhere else. So I hope you'll check it out, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Thanks.